Hi, this is Lev Mills, Associate Broker with Keller Williams Realty Cityside. Just wanted to give you a brief video walkthrough of 353 Center Point Road in Temple, Georgia. This home is a rental, but it is a brand new construction. So the owner purchased this home, had the home built, and decided to rent the home out. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home. Let's look at the 2-car garage here. This is the laundry room here with your washer and dryer hookups. Small pad to the backyard. And here's kind of a linen closet here. Got some extra storage here. Have a nice kind of a bonus room down here. And actually, it's a bedroom because the closet is in here. You have a double vanity, so it's kind of like you have a master downstairs. You have nice brand new shower here and here. Then as we go upstairs, brand new carpet, new laminate hardwood flooring. You have a nice living room with a wood burning fireplace. You have brand new stainless appliances, granite countertops. A brand new fridge is on the way once we have a prospective tenant moving in. You have your hall closet here. Another full bathroom. Have a bedroom here. So yes, you have 3 bedrooms upstairs and 1 bedroom downstairs. Have a nice hall closet here. Have another bedroom here and nice bright lighting. Closet. And you have a nice bedroom here. The bathroom. All right. And there you have it. So this is 353 Center Point Road in Temple, Georgia. And in the description will be a link to the application. Also, more details on the lease terms. And please give me a call or text. Again, this is Lev Mills, associate broker with Keller Williams Realty Cityside. My cell phone number is 678-590-5999. That's 678-590-5999. I look forward to showing this home to you, and maybe this will be your next home to move into. All right, have a great day.